1, 2, a 1, 2, 3.
Hello, I'm Executive Director John Roser, and welcome to this week's SCTV Public Theater, where every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday at 7, 9, and midnight, we feature films from the public domain that are fun for the whole family. This week, SCTV is very proud to present the 1940 American screwball comedy His Girl Friday, starring Cary Grant and Rosalind Russell. In this film, Walter Burns, played by Cary Grant, is a hard-boiled editor for the Morning Post who learns that his ex-wife and former star reporter Hildy Johnson, played by Rosalind Russell, is about to marry another man. Walter is determined to sabotage these plans and convinces the reluctant Hildy to cover one last story for the paper: the upcoming execution of a convicted murderer named Earl Williams, played by Joe Quaylen. As the days pass, Walter does everything he can to keep Hildy around, including setting up her husband-to-be and getting him arrested, kidnapping her soon-to-be mother-in-law, hiding a dangerous fugitive, and putting his own life in danger. Do Walter and Hildy wind up getting back together? Does Earl ever get out of that roll-top desk? And what does Niagara Falls have to do with it? Stay tuned to find out. Do you have questions about Scituate Community Television? Do you have an idea for a show of your own? Email us at sctv@scituatema.gov. I'm Executive Director John Roser, and I will see you on SCTV.